In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an organization chart in just 5 minutes. Using Tableau, an incredibly powerful tool for data visualization, we'll walk through creating a clear and structured diagram that illustrates the hierarchy within your organization. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Tableau app on your computer. If you're new to Tableau, don't worry. It's user-friendly and quite intuitive. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted with the Start page. From here, you'll want to move on to the next step, loading your data. Ensure that you have your data set prepared and formatted correctly. Your data should ideally include columns for at least the name and the supervisor or the individual who each person reports to. Now, let's get your data into Tableau. You'll see an option to connect to a file or a server, depending on where your data is housed. Click on the appropriate option, locate your data file, and load it into the Tableau workspace. Once your data is successfully loaded, you can see all your columns in the data pane on the left side of the screen. With your data in place, it's time to create a chart. You'll begin by dragging the necessary fields into rows and columns to start building your visual. For an organization chart, you usually use a hierarchy. So drag your name field to the rows shelf and your supervisor field to the columns shelf. This setup forms the basics of your chart, showing the reporting relationships within your organization. Next, it's essential to create a hierarchy within your data. In the data pane, right-click on the field that serves as your primary hierarchy and select Create Hierarchy. You'll then add in the lower-level fields that define how your organization is structured, arranging them from top to bottom according to their place within the hierarchy. This will help Tableau understand the connections and dependencies between different levels in your organization. Now, you'll want to enhance the visualization for better clarity. Tableau gives you the ability to change the marks type to a shape, which can make your chart more visually appealing and easier to interpret at a glance. To do this, go to the Marks card and select Shape from the drop-down list. This action will adjust your chart, placing emphasis on the visual connection points within your org chart by using different shapes for different roles or levels. And there you have it. A clear and organized visualization of your organization's structure, all done in just 5 minutes using the efficient tools at Tableau's disposal. Practice will make the process even quicker, so feel free to explore additional features to tailor your charts exactly as you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!